In light of recent events in the world and the crypto world, where do you stand with your ADA holdings? Watch this video until the end to learn more about what experts have revealed about Cardano holders, to be getting disappointed about Cardano's price this month. There is no substantial use case for Cardano to justify its market valuation, according to its critics. As a matter of fact, a cryptocurrency researcher recently called the largest proof-of-stake blockchain vaporware. On the other hand, Cardano supporters argue otherwise, pointing to dApps that work on the network. Additionally, Chris Bernisk, a partner at the venture capital firm Placeholder, argues that the Cardano blockchain is a piece of technology that will likely never be implemented. Also, ARK Invest's former head of crypto responded to a question about why the price of ADA seems to be depreciating. Further, Bernisk clarified on further prodding from Romain Pellerin, the CTO of IOHK, that vaporware was an inaccurate description of ADA. He added that he did not believe the project delivered on its promises. He said, should have said IMO, Cardano and Charles Hoskinson overpromise, and ultimately I expect ADA holders to be disappointed. Historically, Bernisk has been harshly critical of the Cardano blockchain. Also, Cardano was cited last year as an example of a hyped project that is still going strong. In his opinion, ADA has not been used to build any notable decentralized applications or dApps. Regardless, his statement was made before the Alonzo hard fork upgrade added smart contracts functionality to Cardano. In response to this argument, Cardano supporters have countered it. Several people have pointed towards dApps that have been launched on the network. Moreover, the total value locked on the DeFi platform has reached more than $161 million in less than a month in the Cardano ecosystem. Furthermore, more dApps will also be developed in the coming months. Thus far, the launch has been hampered by technical difficulties. Also, the blockchain is stressed after every major launch due to network congestion. This has prompted IOHK to implement parameter adjustments so that users can have an improved experience. Further, Cardano has a long way to go before it can boast of a diverse ecosystem as wide as those of its competitors. Several cryptocurrency proponents, including Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of IOHK, are aware of this and note that the blockchain still has a lot to offer in the future. Additionally, as part of its Project Catalyst program, the Cardano Foundation has supported projects that utilize the Cardano network. While ADA has grown modestly in the market, it has increased 7.61% over the last month. And a day ago, ADA was trading at $1.05, down 2.99%. Nevertheless, analysts believe that Cardano is destined for a massive price surge. Apart from this, Mark Cuban ironically denies mentioning Cardano in his DAO assessment. In highlighting the power of decentralized autonomous organizations, Mark Cuban wasn't referring to Cardano. Mark Cuban, who recently joined the cryptocurrency space, ironically avoided referencing Cardano's blockchain in his explanation of the potential impact of autonomous organizations on legacy businesses. But for Mark Cuban, it's not Cardano. Further in the past, Mark Cuban was among the many critics of the cryptocurrency industry. He has since then, however, changed his mind, as it happened with quite a few of them, and is now a strong advocate for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency assets. Then, among other disruptive technologies, Mark Cuban has embraced Ethereum's network with an optimistic approach. In a recent Twitter message, Mark Cuban spoke about the world of DAOs and the potential changes they bring to corporations. In an interesting turn, some Cardano proponents interpreted the statements as a direct advertisement for Charles Hoskinson's blockchain project, which has gained significant attention recently. Nevertheless, Cuban was quick to reject the possibility that he had intended to refer to Cardano by saying, LOL, no. Also, it is interesting to note that Cardano's founder also participated in the Twitter discussion. As a response, Hoskinson posted his ironic GIF. However, what has been happening with Cardano lately? Despite Cuban's dismissal of Cardano, the blockchain project has surged in popularity since January. Then, to work on several blockchain-based products, including digital identities, it signed partnerships with the Ministry of Education in Ethiopia and the Tanzanian government in Africa. In the past year, Cardano's founder has been openly praising his endeavor, stating several reasons why he believes it to be a superior blockchain to Ethereum, which he helped establish years ago. Since the market correction began, Cardano investors with between 10K and 1 million coins have seen their ADA bags more than double. Although the recent price drops in the cryptocurrency market have prompted investors to accumulate more portions of certain assets, large investors have not been discouraged. Additionally, a recent on-chain analysis revealed that Cardano's native token, ADA, has more than doubled its holdings in less than 2 weeks, pointing to increased interest in its native token. Also, we can safely say that cryptocurrency prices have suffered a steep correction since the middle of January, wiping out more than $500 billion from its cumulative market cap in just 1 week at one point. Further, cryptocurrencies like Cardano, which reached a 6-week high on January 18th at $1.65, were among the worst impacted. From the aforementioned local peak on January 22nd to 92 cents on January 25th, ADA fell by 45% in 4 days. And after falling to below $1, the token has since gained some ground and currently trades above $1, but it is still about 25% lower than where it was at the beginning of the year. Even so, the slump hasn't dampened investors' appetite for the asset. Quite the opposite, in fact, as sentiment data demonstrate. Additionally, analytical resources reported that addresses holding from 10,000 to 1 million tokens increased their ADA possessions by nearly $55 million worth in less than 2 weeks. Based on percentages, this indicates that their holdings gained more than 110% in only 11 days. Getting back to Cardano, Ether is still in the process of implementing its POS infrastructure, so Cardano is gradually competing with Ethereum's long-held dominance in dApp development. Also, several fundamental projects are now being implemented on the Cardano smart contract ecosystem, resulting in tangible value for traditional finance and decentralized finance, or DeFi. In this upcoming blockchain with dApps, projects such as Revuto, an active subscription application will be developed. But how does Revuto work? Revuto is a subscription management platform that lets customers actively manage their subscriptions, with a one-stop platform where they can snooze payment dates or cancel subscriptions. And customers can manage subscriptions to Spotify, YouTube Premium, and Apple TV Plus, among others. Furthermore, Revuto supplies its users with the option to hold a native token, dubbed Revu, that can be stored in a Cardano Lite wallet, which exposes them to the growing DeFi market. Cardano is also the first dApp to launch an ICO based on Cardano, recording over 3 million registrations to date. Recently, the Revu token has been listed on KuCoin and Gate.io. Moreover, Revuto is also planning to expand its services to feature micro-lending and borrowing services that will enable users to purchase subscriptions using DeFi liquidity. Besides Revuto, ADA Swap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX. Then, based on the Automated Market Maker, or AMM, model of trading, the DEX offers swapping capabilities for Cardano native assets. In addition, the platform introduces a native token named ASW that does away with transaction and participation fees, thus giving users a chance to retain wealth. Additionally, ASW tokens were already launched on the CardStarter Launchpad through an initial DEX offering, or IDO. As per the Free Finance Tokenomics model, ASW serves as both a reward token and a government token, as well as facilitating efficient swaps and real-time price arbitrages. As of now, ADA Swap has partnered with crypto projects including Cody, developer of the DJED stablecoin. In addition, they plan to create an NFT ecosystem for trading digital collectibles using Cardano. As Cardano developers look ahead to 2022, they say they'll improve the platform's performance, optimization, and scalability. A new blog post says that Input-Output Hong Kong Marketing and Communications Director Tim Harrison expects ADA to receive powerful enhancements and upgrades through upgrades in the next year. He stated, "Throughout the coming weeks and months, we will be optimizing, scaling, and bringing new features through new release deployments. We will do this in well-defined incremental updates that groups new features for our technology stack into more manageable periodic releases. We're now in the very final stages of preparing for our February release, the first of 3 major code drops. June and October will follow, upgrading the core network in 2022. Additionally, Harrison reports that many of the upgrades will be focused on improving Cardano's delivery predictability. He added, "This grouping strategy has one clear rationale: predictability. Cardano has grown significantly, and it's expected to grow even more as 2022 goes on. By creating specific release windows, companies that rely on Cardano's infrastructure know exactly when major releases are coming, so they can prepare accordingly. Also, several enhancements are geared towards Cardano ecosystem developers in the first upgrade," says Harrison of the improvements. In combination with parameter adjustments, these features will enhance Cardano's throughput and optimize the system to accommodate an increasing range of decentralized finance apps, smart contracts, and DEXs. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.